Hi guys, welcome to Smoothie and Juicing Time. Today I am going to do a bit of an experiment smoothie today, and let's see how it's going to work out. So for this one, I have got around about 130 grams of grapes. I'm using like a mixture of green and black grapes. Perfectly fine to go for just either green or black. My favourite's always the black ones. So let's just put these in. We're going to be only using the blender today. Now, one thing about grapes, if you juice them, you need quite a few to basically get quite a lot. It's one of those fruits where you need a lot to basically to generate a lot. So, but I'm going to see how this basically comes up in this, because what we're going to be doing is, as we're going to be blending it, it's basically going to be blending and shredding all the bits and pieces together. And we're going to need about 300 milliliters of coconut water. Basically is to, if you're blending anything, you're going to need to have water, so go for coconut. I wouldn't advise using any plant-based milk, but let's stick to the coconut water. So 300 milliliters going in there. Then half an avocado. I'm using frozen avocados. And then the avocados also, they are brain food. And another brain food that I'm going to be using is a handful of walnuts. So let's just put those in there. One tip that I'm going to give, whenever you use sort of frozen fruit in a smoothie, what I would suggest is just leave it in for a couple of minutes or so. So basically it kind of defrosts, Otherwise it's going to put a strain on your blender. And the one that I'm using is a neutral bread. So let's give this a go. Oh! I forgot the countdown. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. We're going to go for about 15 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. One thing, when you do blend avocados, it does make it really creamy. And if it gets too creamy, you could always add some water. Now, this is a bit creamy, so let's go for a taste test. Oh wow, that tastes really nice and creamy. I could taste like bits of like the grapes and like the walnuts. And sometimes like with avocados, they kind of have a bit of a blandish sort of taste, but this doesn't have it. So why don't you give this a try? Tell me what you think. So if you like it, ping the like, and also if you like our smoothies, our recipes and everything like that, hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you'll find out when we're going to be doing the next one. And also if it's benefit to anyone else or you want to share with someone else, you can do that. Okay, until the next time.